Hello and welcome to the light energy test. Light is a form of space, energy, gravity, acceleration. How shadows are created. An opaque object blocks the light and creates a shadow. A transparent object blocks the light and creates a shadow. Shadows can only be created using a flashlight. Shadows are created by a transparent object that lets the light through. When sound bounces off a surface, we call this an echo. The bouncing of light off a surface is called refraction. Reflection, opaque, translucent. Remember, it's bouncing off. Some materials, like windows, allow light to pass right through. What is this called? Transparent, translucent, opaque, reflection. When light energy is taken in by an object, like a black sheet of paper on a sunny day, the paper gets warm. This is called reflection, opaque, absorption, bouncing waves. Some materials will not allow any light to pass through and creates a shadow. This material is called transparent, translucent, opaque, refraction. A pencil was placed in a cup of water. The pencil looks bent or broken. What is the scientific concept term when light hits something and it looks bent or broken? Reflection, refraction, opaque, absorption. Some materials allow only some light to pass through, like wax paper or frosted glass. What is this called? Transparent, translucent, opaque, reflection. Which color absorbs all the light colors in the color spectrum and creates heat? Red, white, yellow, black. What kind of surface reflects light the best? Rough and textured, dull and rough, shiny, flat, and smooth, shiny and rough. Think about light reflecting before you answer that. If you see a green apple, what colors of the light spectrum are absorbed and what colors are reflected? All colors of the color spectrum are absorbed and none are reflected. No colors of the color spectrum are absorbed and all colors of the color spectrum are reflected. The color green is absorbed and all the other colors of the color spectrum are reflected. The color green is reflected and all the other colors of the color of the rainbow are absorbed. Light travels in all directions, straight lines, curved lines, circles. Don't pick circles. Most of our natural light comes from the moon, sun, burning coal. Our light is probably not coming through burning coal. Don't pick that answer. Nuclear power from power plants. This is an example of, so look at that picture. Reflection, refraction, an opaque object, the color. This is an example of reflection, refraction, all the colors of the color spectrum, transparent objects. An example of artificial light is the sun, lightning in the sky during a storm, a flashlight, a star in the night sky. Artificial, like fake, like not real. Below is a picture of a prism, which refracts the white light. No, reflects. I'll change that. To show all the colors in this color spectrum. A crystal, which reflects the white light to show all the colors in the color spectrum. An opaque object, reflection. So find that picture and decide which one fits there. The bending of light when light strikes a new medium is called reflection, refraction, opaque, absorption. The color, red, white, yellow, or black, reflects all the colors in the color spectrum. Which one of those colors reflects all of the colors? Jose, Sergio, and Carl went to the Indians baseball game. Jose and Sergio wore white Indians jersey, and Carl wore the navy blue jersey. Carl was very hot, while Jose and Sergio remained cooler. Why was Jose and Sergio cooler than Carl? Jose and Sergio were cooler because dark colors reflect light and create heat. Jose and Sergio were cooler because dark colors absorb light and create heat. White bounces all the colors. Jose and Sergio were cooler because dark colors reflect light and do not create heat. Jose and Sergio were cooler because light colors reflect light and create heat.